In this video, we will check the electrical connections on the AMTSE for proper installation. Caution: before any changes to electrical connections are made, please ensure that the power switch on your AMTSE is in the off position. Refer to Figure 1 throughout this video for terminal block connection code and description. First, check to make sure that the interface wiring for the electrical connections has been installed as shown for a typical one system connection or a typical connection for up to 3 systems. To view these wiring connections in more detail, please visit www.paragoncontrols.com/AON. The electrical connectors have removable terminal blocks for ease of installing the interface wiring. Shielded 24 AWG twisted wire cable is recommended for all connections between the AMTSE, AAON Temperature Transmitter or ATT, and communication with the AAON VCC X2 controller. For network communication with the AAON VCC X2 controller, pins 31 and 32 in the J4 terminal block on the sensor should be connected to R positive and T negative connectors on the eBus distribution module. Ensure that only one side of the shielding wire is connected to earth ground at the eBus distribution module ground as shown in Figure 2. When an AAON temperature transmitter is installed for outside air, determine which system is measuring outside air by referencing the tagging information for each system on the unit-specific AMTSE parameter configuration sheet. Contact AAON Technical Support with the RTU serial number to obtain the AMTSE parameter configuration sheet if needed. For System 1 outside air, pins 71, J7 terminal block, and 81, J8 terminal block on the AMTSE should be connected to the positive and negative connectors on the ATT. For System 2 OA, pins 71 and 83 should be connected, or for System 3 OA, pins 71 and 85 should be connected. The ATT should be connected to the correct pins for temperature compensation of the corresponding system. For System 1 analog process output, pins 91 and 92, J9 terminal block, should be connected to the positive and negative connectors on the analog receiving device if available, as shown in Figure 2. If the AMTSE is measuring multiple systems, pins 93 and 94 for System 2 and pins 95 and 96 for System 3 should be connected as shown in Figure 3. Pins 1 and 2, J1 terminal block, should be connected to a 24 VAC or 24 VDC power supply as shown in Figure 2 or 3. Ensure that pin 3 is used to connect the AMTSE to earth ground. Lastly, turn the power switch back to the on position and close the cover. If you need additional assistance, please contact Paragon Technical Support at 707-579-1424. To view these as written instructions, go to www.paragoncontrols.com/AON and click on MTSE Electrical Wiring Troubleshooting Guide. Paragon Controls, the sensible solution.